Hi everybody, this is Tata. You're on my channel Caramel Kilometers. Caramel because I love caramel, kilometers because we'll cover a lot of kilometers together on this channel. The adventures, the hikes will be very sweet but also a bit solid, like the best of the type of caramel. I'm a trail enthusiast. I love running on trails, I love hiking on trails. When making this video, I thought a lot on what could be the value that I could share with you, with the viewers of this video. I'm neither an experienced ultra runner nor an experienced hiker, but I'm really enthusiastic about trails. So if you are too, I would like to share my experience with you and go to some amazing adventures with you too. In the upcoming videos, we'll be taking this journey together of Tour de Mont Blanc and the Marathon de Mont Blanc. And I hope you will be enjoying this journey as much as I do. For the first video, I wanted to share how I pack for my most challenging experience in terms of hiking and running combined. And so this is the equipment that I will be taking for my hike especially. I will be leaving my running equipment in the hotel for some time for the 7 days that I will be hiking. I will be packing in the Burberry 65 liters backpack, which is my favorite, also for the size because I don't like to carry a lot of weight with me and I try to be as simple with packing, and a 65 liter backpack is exactly what I need for that. Firstly, I want to ensure that I will be safe during the harsh weather conditions. I will be out there for 7 days, who knows what can happen. So I will be carrying the down jacket with me, which is very feather-like, easy, simple and very warm also. For the down jacket, I will also be carrying this very warm jacket which can get wet, but still that's a great thing for very harsh weather conditions. And besides that, if there is rain, which I would expect during the 7 days high altitude, I always take the Gore-Tex jacket with me, with which I've been in a very high snow and I feel safe and I feel dry. I will be taking these leggings. They have some sort of kind of thermal effect when you wear them inside of Gore-Tex or inside some trekking shorts. They feel very warm. And of course I will be carrying my Gore-Tex trousers with me, which have saved me during a very heavy snowfall in the last year. I will be traveling in La Sportiva mountain shoes, which I've tried several times actually, and they, although are harsh for the first time, when you wear them for 2 or 3 times, after that you simply don't want to wear anything else. They are quite warm, although they are not for high altitudes, about 5,000 meters I'd say. They are very comfortable and they feel quite safe when stepping on some rocks and in all weather conditions. For the clothing, I try to select some of the very useful material. For instance, the merino wool, which I have found during the Cappadocia Ultra Trail in one shop. I tried to use the chance and took some socks. I would also expect that there will be some snow on the way, so I will also have some snow protection for my shoes and for my feet so that I can get warm and I stay warm during the higher snow. One of the most important things in my backpack is the swimsuit. I actually never go on trail without a swimsuit. The thing is, there are a lot of mountain lakes out there and I have sort of a promise to jump in every lake that I encounter during my hike. So sometimes it's a lake on over 3,000 meters above the sea level and 3 degrees cold Celsius, but still I have to jump in it. This was basically the clothing that I will be carrying with me during my Tour de Mont Blanc hike. And as for the equipment, there are some things that I would want to also show you. I made this mistake of traveling without the sunscreen. That was the worst thing ever. Even my ears were so burned that I couldn't barely move for a week. So I'm not doing that again, and I'm taking 2 sunscreens with me. One is very comfortable for when I would start hiking during the day, and another one, very small, also for running, is just to adjust the sunscreen if it comes off during the day. Besides that, I will be using the equipment such as the GPS on my Garmin 66E and GPS on my Garmin Forerunner watch, and I will also be having GPS on my phone. I want to have at least 3 options of my offline map, so if anything goes wrong, I have the map with me. The first of my favorite part of equipment which I'm going to take is the GoPro and the drone. It is DJI Mini, which I recently bought especially for this trip, and as you can see, the views are really amazing. I'll be carrying my 400 lumen black diamond headlamp, sunglasses by Jumbo Spectrum 4 system, which is very useful in high mountains to ensure that your eyes are protected from the sun. And also the panel with me to make sure that my power bank is always charged with the power of the sun. And one of the most essential things to have with me is the tourniquet, which, to admit, I only recently bought, but I believe that this is the must-have in the first aid kit of any hiking. This is the equipment that I will be carrying with myself during the Tour de Mont Blanc hike. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope